Welcome to day 41, a review of key concepts in the Principles of Programming Languages course. Today we will be summarizing the major topics we have covered throughout the course and preparing for our final wrap up. Let's begin by reviewing the major topics we have explored. First, we have discussed the foundational concepts of syntax and semantics and how these shape the structure and meaning of programming languages. We then dove into types and type systems, looking at the differences between strong and weak typing and static versus dynamic typing. Memory and variables were also key aspects we studied, including stack versus heap memory and the importance of garbage collection. We also covered control structures like recursion, loops, and conditionals, as well as the different programming paradigms, including imperative, declarative, and object oriented programming. Now let's shift focus to language design and implementation. We looked at the role of language design, how compilers versus interpreters work, and the different phases of language implementation from lexical analysis to code generation. We also discussed how runtime systems such as JVM and CLR manage memory and execute code. Next, we reviewed two critical areas of programming, error handling and concurrency. We explored the different types of errors, syntax, runtime, and logical, and how exceptions are handled in languages like Java, Python, and C++. On the concurrency front, we delved into how modern languages manage threads, processes, synchronization, and potential issues like deadlock. Moving on to the advanced features found in modern languages, we explored coroutines and the async await pattern for asynchronous programming. We also covered metaprogramming where code can modify itself and reflection and introspection which allow a program to examine its own structure. This is the perfect time for an open Q&A session. If there's anything you would like to clarify about key concepts like memory management, programming paradigms, or error handling, feel free to ask. Let's dive into any lingering questions you may have. Let's take a moment for a group discussion. Think about how the concepts we have learned today apply in real world scenarios. How do different languages handle memory management and concurrency? How do you select the right language for a project based on its strengths and weaknesses? We have certainly encountered challenges during this course. Some of the major ones include debugging in dynamic versus static languages and managing concurrency in multi-threaded environments. Today we will discuss some practical solutions to these challenges that will help you in your programming journey. As we wrap up, here are the final takeaways. The importance of abstraction, modularity, and efficiency has been evident through the course. You should now have a deeper understanding of memory management, type systems, control structures, and the impact of different programming languages on software design. The key to success in programming is continually applying these concepts and choosing the right tools for the task. Don't stop here. Continue your journey with additional resources for further learning. There are numerous books, online courses, and practice platforms such as LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeWords that will help you strengthen your knowledge and skills. Keep challenging yourself with new problems and languages. Finally, we have reached the course wrap up. Reflect on the path we have taken, the skills you have gained, and the concepts that will shape your future programming projects. We have covered a wide range of topics that prepare you for careers in language design, software development, and more. Keep exploring and thank you for participation in this course.